So, hello, my dear students, friends, nears, dears, relatives. So, welcome to my another educational series, The Magical Secrets of the Digit. So, today we are discussing the digit 2, about the digit 2, D-I-G-I-T. So, today we will just see what are the secrets, what are the fun behind this digit 2. You see, God Almighty has given this 2 a marvelous magical strength too, because the whole world started from the two pairs, that is Adam and Eve. वो दो ही लोग थे, उसी से ही सारी दुनिया बनना शुरू हो गई, isn't it? So 2 has a magical support. Now we see pairs. We come across many words like pairs: sukh, dukh, din, raat, north, east, isn't it? So many pairs all exist in the number 2. And second, see, our organs, we have 2 eyes, we have 2 ears, we have 2 hands. These are all having maybe some reason behind it, why God has given 2 eyes, why God has given 2 ears, why God has given 2 hands, 2 legs. See, many things are there. Maybe a strong reason behind it. A medical can prove that why we got 2, why we got all the most of the organs, human organs in pairs. Now, 2, you see, when we won the match or we done some success, we will see victory sign, and victory sign, maybe this represents 2, but actually we are using 2 fingers. 2 fingers, this is the victory sign, isn't it? Now come to the original point, what I want to explain you with this 2. Do you know prime numbers? Prime numbers are those numbers which never comes in any multiplication table. किसी भी मल्टीप्लिकेशन टेबल में नहीं आने वाला डिजिट ही प्राइम नंबर है. जैसे 4 प्राइम नंबर नहीं है. वाई? बिकॉज 2 2 is 4. So prime numbers, all prime numbers you list out, you will see every digit are in odd numbers, but only 2 is only the single prime number that exists in even. Number. Rest all numbers you see, they are odd. Okay, now what if we multiply any number by 2? What is the secret behind it? If you multiply any number by 2, just you have to add that number to it itself. You say 4 2s are 8. 4 को डबल कर दो, 8 हो गया. 6 2s are 12. 6 को डबल कर दो, 12 हो गया. So all multiplication of 2 will be the double of that number, isn't it? 12 2s are 24. 12 का डबल कर दो. So that is the multiplication trick. What about the divide trick? Division, make it half. 4 divided by 2, 2. 2 means what? 4 को half कर दो. 6 का divided by 2. 6 को half कर दो, 3. So multiplication of 2 makes the number double, and division makes the number into half. Isn't it interesting? Now, we know 2 table, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. We know the table, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. But we say how this 2 also in the multiplication of multiplication of table 2, we see all numbers how they are existing. For example, 2 into 1, 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are, we'll discuss about this. Okay, 10. Now what happens? 2 4 6 8 all are even numbers. Now we'll think till here. Now this is 2 4 6 8. Now what are the numbers missing? Here 3 is missing, here 5 is missing, here 7 is missing, 9 is missing, and before that 1 is missing. Now here 1 plus 0 is how much? 1. Okay. Now 2 6 are 12. Means 12. 12 means again 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. How much? 3. All what are the numbers which are not here? They all are coming. So 2 sevens are 14. 14 means 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Now 2 8s are 16. 1 plus 6, that is 7. And 2 into 9 is 18. That is 1 plus 8 is equals to 9. Now what happens after this? After this, if you go on this multiplication table, what you will see? Again you will see a single digit number 2, 4, 6, 8. So in every table till you go to infinity, you will see 4 sets of even numbers and 5 sets of odd numbers. That's all. This is the continuation. After this, 2, 4, 6, 8. After 8, again like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You just see, you practice, you will see at last in a single digit the sets of 4 even number and the sets of, and followed by the sets of 5 odd numbers, odd digit numbers. Okay, now this is one trick. Now we will see what are the other curiosity regarding this number. See, we know multiplication table of 2, it's very easy, isn't it? Every child knows very well. Now we will see how easily we can write without by hearting. You just make a box. You make a box 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, 5 boxes are there and total 10 boxes are there. Now write 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Same thing you copy it in this box also, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Isn't it easy? Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to write 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. What comes after 0 in a whole number? 1. 0 means 1. After 0, 1. After 0, 1. After 1, 2. Isn't it simple? This is the multiplication table of 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. Isn't it? How easy it is? Now, one more secret we can dig out with this. Now, if you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again you write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again you write in a reverse manner 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Repeat the same thing again 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I think pattern is easy. Now what you do, you have to add. What you will add? You just add 2 with this whole sum. What you will get, you know? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 times 2 will come. If you add the whole digits with 2, you just go on rough work, you see whether 10 times 2 are coming or not, isn't it? Now, so this the word. Now shall I repeat? Okay. Now we will see one more thing, a last thing. What is 2? We can play with this as a fun. As a fun means what? 5 times 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 5 times 2. You add any multiplication, mathematical sign. Either you put plus sign or minus sign or into your divide sign. Using these 4 mathematical signs, you just see one time what are the signs you are going to put here, so that the whole thing should come 1, then 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. So only you have to use 5 times 2 with various signs, mathematical signs, and one time you should get 1, another time 2, then 3 and 4, 5, 6 on. Can you? If not, see this. Isn't it? In the first case, we are seeing 1. In the second, we have arranged 5 2's in such a manner, it is 2. Third, you see 4, like that you see the last number 0. Isn't it interesting? That's all. 2 has something more left to explain, but for our standard, this is enough. Okay? Very soon we will meet with another digit. Till then, goodbye.